Gimana ya teh masuk gimana? SPBU naon? Banyumas? Oh, ayeuna teh bade dilanjutkeun ka mana ayeuna? Tempat tujuan.
Kucing narko tadi tas kacai 2 kali bayar.
Arurang terus dugi ke pemakaman orang hutan dan mau hidupkan satu pemakamannya baru mandi kardila kayak senamam nau jam genap guys sabar aja
Emotions unlocking, and before you could ask, I answered too fast. And all my friends, they tell me they see you're planning to get on one knee. So now I can't stop thinking about you. I figured out all the clues, so now baby take my hand. I want you to be my husband, 'cause you're my Iron Man, and I love you 3000. Baby take a chance, 'cause I want this to be something straight out of
halo guys, ayeuna arurang terus dugi bade ke Papangla. Ibu iya ibu tercinta ibu nanti engke naros ibu yes ngerakon ya asih pada supaya dilakukan si bareng-bareng ayo mah lagu Jogja ya wah Jogja Rasalanya
And now I'm all upon you. What you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. 'Cause you knew that I called.
halo guys papanak deui ayeuna urang bade papahela nya candi hareudang ya oge hareudang pisan tuh hareudang pas tadi turun tapi itu da teu aya poyan tapi ayeuna panas sabab pasti saratina mah teh ibak ibak sikang rusuh oge nya ngaheab guys ieu carpal kitu ayeuna urang tos dugi di Candi Borobudur tuh candina yuhu ayeuna urang tinggal capek naik nah also
Sampurasun. Yes, Sampurasun. Rampe. Ya, prima. Thanks.
what is name like
Thank you.
oh yes
From Holland.
Sampurasun is dialek. Oh, beda. Sampurasun dialek dari
Sampurasun
Bandung.
Sampurasun
Sampurasun.
yes thank you what is your name
My name is Dan. And your name?
Nida. My name is Nida. Where are you from?
From Holland.
can you say Abi
Abi Kasep.
Abi?
Kasep
Kasep?
pisan
What is the meaning of that?
I'm very handsome.
I'm very handsome.
Abi Kasep Pisan.
What was it?
Abi Kasep Pisan. Abi
Abi?
Kasep
Kasep?
Pisan.
Pisan.
Nah, di dia anu tekenging dicalikan. Yuk. Ih cepet lah. Tekenging. Oh, maaf. Tekenging dicalikannya. Bisa kahitutan.
Halo, ayah kakek jangan api di kelas Arisa.
Nah, Bade, angkat kemana? Kalau dilanjutin kemana?
Kalapatur.
Kalapatur, naik
Naik bus lah.
selat terus naik
Tadi
jeep.
sekap sakieu wae kagiatan di Borobudur tadi di tos pendak
Sareng turis.
tos ditaros sareng ayeuna mah orang wila ka beus pilih ditinggalkeun ayeuna urang tos dugi di mana
Di Lavatur.
Lavatur nuju ngantosan pamagat anu Jumatan janten saat acan naik ngantosan anu Jumatan kita sering sajumatan nembe berangkat ke lokasi.
Halo guys, jantan ayeuna pada naik Cipeula. Habis sareng milad ke Barada beda jeep. Kewenya pamiatos beres bisi HP 6 orang.
Halo guys,
Arurang.
atau siap ada makan tapi teh heureun guys.
Kita heureun ya Allah. Padahal badan searawi.
Aduh iya teh minimalis sekali.
Itu mah hibul.
I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer.
Tinggalan sejarah anu tinggal di kejadian Gunung Merapi.
We were on,
Enak deh terus di warang kajib
but
deh.
acting like grown-ups, like we are in the
Biasa
present.
tinggal di museum
Drinking from
tadi.
plastic cups, singing love
Pelajaran biasa alasan sanda
Well, I guess that was
kejadian eta nyata kedah selalu hati-hati selalu waspada. Da bencana alam we teh nu terang.
Halangan jalan.
Di jalan Malioboro.
Kenapa lo ngantisipasi kuahnya potnya?
Jalan-jalan heula ge belanja. Itu oleh-oleh ya. Atau saja.
Halo, enten aya teh terus bade angkat ka mana-mana.
Bade resep bakpia.
Bade angkat ke Kecamatan Diwali ka tempat fotoan sareng museum. Kamu mau kan museum?
I've seen you in ages. I hope you come back to me. I'm not running wild with you far away. I still think of you 100 times a day.
I still think of you too. If only you knew. When I'm feeling a bit down and I wanna pull through, I look over your photograph and I think how I woke up pissed off today. Lately everyone feels fake. Somewhere I lost a piece of me. Smoking cigarettes, I'm back again.
Di pantai. Tuh, terus di pewarang video. Video abi tos dugi sareng rencangan non nama tos di payun ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.